Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video of how to make a flower from a plastic bottle. Yes, today we are going to do something different and I have my sis with me and she is going to show me that how we can make a flower from a bottle. So let's start now. So let's see what we need first. All you need is a big and a small plastic bottle. Then you need glitter. Then you need glass color. So these are the ingredients that we need today. So I have my sister with me and she's going to show us how to make the flower from plastic bottle, and she is cutting the bottle from the upper part. She is cutting it into half of it with the scissor. Scissor is going to play an important role today. She has cutted the upper part of the bottle and she is going to use that for making the flower. She has already cutted this bottle and now she is going to cut the second bottle, which is of very smaller size. So let's see how she cuts it. She has cutted smaller bottle also into from this upper part, and now what she is going to do is going to make cuts in it. She is cutting it properly. She is making petals of this bottle. She is giving cut between some distance. She is giving at least 6 cut in this bottle with equal distance in it. And here she have cutted this bottle, and now she is taking small bottles upper part and she is going to do the same with it. So now what next she is going to do is going to make petals from it. So she is making the petals from the bottle which she have given cut in distance, and all you have to do is mold it in the opposite side and your petals are ready. And as you can see, the petals are ready of this big bottle's upper part, and now she is going to do of the smaller bottle. And she is doing from the smaller bottle. Okay, she have make petals of it from both the bottles. Now she is using the marker to mark on it to make, okay, she is giving the shape of the leaves and she is using marker for it. As you can see, she is giving leaf shape. You can give shape as per whatever you like, and she is also giving shape whatever she is liking. So you can also give round shape from the edges of these leaves. She is done with the bigger bottle's leaves and now she is doing of the smaller bottle leaves. This is interesting, guys. So now with the scissor, she is going to cut the shape which she have given. She is cutting them. And here comes the awesome shape of the leaf. She has started to give shape of the bigger bottle's leaf. She is cutting it in the shape which she have drawn. As you can see, she have cutted the leaves And now what next she is going to do is she have to glass color, and she is going to apply this color on the leaves of it. She have to Fevicryl glass color, you can use any of the glass color, and she is applying this glass color on the leaves, and you can see how beautiful it looks. She's applying on the whole leaf, and it is going to definitely give the glass effect. Guys, she is using different colors in the petals so that it look very colorful. And now she is using brown. First she have used golden color. Okay, now what next she is doing is she will put glitter on it, and this will look so amazing. She's putting, not exactly putting, but sprinkling some of the glitters on every leaf, and it is looking superb. And she is on the last leaf of putting glitter. She is just sprinkling over it. And yes, the flower is now going to be done. And it is done, and you can see how beautiful it looks, and it is looking so amazing. And you can also make this at your home. Now she is doing the same with the small bottle leaves, I mean flower. She is done with the small flower too, and she is sprinkling some glitters on it too, and it is going to look lovely, guys. And she's on the last leaf of it, and the flowers are just done now. And what's the next step she is going to do? Now what she is going to do is she will remove the cap of the bottle of the flower, and she is going to put it aside, and she will put the small flower on the bigger flower, and now she is going to fit it properly, as you can see. And it is done. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can also give it a try, guys, and please do make it at home, and definitely tell me that did you like it or not, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button, and stay blessed.